Are you willing to bring your trading to the next level? Let's face it, the market is frequently adjusting and evolving, and it's tough to keep up with the latest trends and patterns. But what if I told you that there's a tool that can help you stay ahead of the game? Say hello to ChatGPT.
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 The AI technology revolutionizing the trading industry. Understanding ChatGPT. Alright, now let's dive into the thrilling planet of ChatGPT. In case you haven't heard, ChatGPT is the newest tool traders use to investigate demand tendencies and create reported trading decisions. So what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, it's a language model created by OpenAI that's been trained on a massive amount of data to understand natural language. That means it can read and understand human language like you and me. But here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT isn't just a simple chatbot that spits out generic responses. It's a highly sophisticated tool, can study complex data sets and supply traders with practical understandings and recommendations. One of the critical features of ChatGPT is its capacity to develop realistic and relevant responses to user queries. For example, requesting ChatGPT regarding a specific stock can provide detailed facts regarding the company, its financials, and recent performance. But that's just scratching the surface. ChatGPT can even allow traders to determine possible chances by studying demand tendencies and patterns. So what sets ChatGPT apart from other tools? Its ability to think and reason like a human sets it apart from traditional trading algorithms, often based on fixed rules and formulas.
Is there a case where you could say, Alex, that why do I need to Google or Bing something if I've got AI? Why don't I just say, hey, whatever phone or wristwatch, what are the best 3 restaurants around where I'm standing right now?
ChatGPT can adapt to new situations and learn from user interactions, making it a more dynamic and flexible tool. Even the legendary entrepreneur Elon Musk has praised the potential of artificial intelligence, saying that AI is capable of vastly more than almost anyone knows, and the rate of improvement is exponential. And with ChatGPT at the forefront of this technological revolution, traders have an exciting new tool at their disposal. Using natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms,
tonight, we're taking a deep dive into the world of AI with a special focus on ChatGPT, the revolutionary new language model developed by OpenAI.
ChatGPT can interpret and understand human language, generating more intuitive and engaging responses than traditional tools. It not only makes ChatGPT more accessible to a broader range of traders, but also enables it to provide personalized recommendations based on each trader's unique needs and preferences.
Knock, knock. Who's there? ChatGPT. ChatGPT who? ChatGPT careful, you might not know how it works.
Utilizing ChatGPT for your trading method. Now that you better understand ChatGPT, let's explore how to use it to develop a winning trading method. Imagine this, you're sitting at your desk trying to make sense of the demand tendencies and figure out where to invest your money. It can be overwhelming, right? But with ChatGPT, you can get insights and recommendations that can assist you in making instructed judgments. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to access ChatGPT and input your request. It can contain the stocks you're interested in, your risk forbearance, and your acquisition purposes. Once you've inputted your parameters, ChatGPT will study the demand and deliver recommendations based on its predictive models. For example, it might identify a stock poised for growth. But that's just the beginning. ChatGPT can also help you identify potential risks and pitfalls in your trading strategy. It can provide alternative investment options if your initial choices perform differently than expected.
ChatGPT is a disruptor and a game changer for business communication. This communication, the ability to marshal facts, organize ideas, stir passions, it's now something software can do. Computers have achieved a sort of creativity.
The most significant advantage of ChatGPT is its ability to learn and adapt over time. As you interact with the tool and provide feedback, it can refine its predictive models and provide even more accurate and relevant recommendations. So what does Elon Musk think about using artificial intelligence for trading? Well, he's been vocal about the need for AI to be responsible and ethical, but he's also optimistic about its potential to revolutionize the financial industry. He says AI can help us do things better, but we need to be cautious about how we use it. ChatGPT is a solid instrument to assist traders in developing winning strategies. Providing insights and recommendations based on predictive models can assist traders in making knowledgeable determinations and identifying potential investment opportunities. And with its ability to learn and adapt over time, ChatGPT is poised to revolutionize the financial industry in the coming years. ChatGPT Limitations. So, we've been discussing how to use ChatGPT for your trading strategy, and now it's time to discuss its limitations. The data used by ChatGPT is only until 2021. As impressive as ChatGPT is, there are some things it can't do. For one, it can't predict the future. It can analyze past data and trends, but keep you from knowing what will happen next. ChatGPT needs to improve its analysis by basing it on current rather than historical data. As we mentioned earlier, the data used by ChatGPT is only up until 2021. If you're looking to make investment decisions based on current market trends, ChatGPT may not be the best source of information. Additionally, ChatGPT's analysis is only as good as its given data.
It would generate the thing for you. It would put the footnotes in for you. You could then judge whether it's actually any good or not, and the information's right.
ChatGPT's research will also be complete or accurate if the data is complete or accurate. But don't let these limitations discourage you from using ChatGPT as your trading strategy. While it may not be able to predict the future, it can still provide valuable insights and analysis based on past data. Just remember to take its research with a grain of salt and consult a financial expert before making investment decisions. ChatGPT use cases in the trading strategy. So, if you decide to try ChatGPT for your trading strategy, it would be an excellent choice. But now comes the question, how can you employ it perfectly? Let's explore some exciting use cases of ChatGPT in a trading scenario.
Hey ChatGPT, give me the best trading strategy to make $100,000.
There is no one best trading strategy that can guarantee a profit of $100,000.
1. Technical analysis. It is an integral part of the trading plan. It involves analyzing charts and statistical indicators to specify patterns and tendencies in market movements. By analyzing the historical price movements of an asset, traders can identify critical support and resistance levels, breakouts, and other indicators that can help them make more informed trades. However, technical analysis can be time-consuming and complex, especially for starting traders. That's where ChatGPT comes in. By feeding ChatGPT with relevant technical hands, traders can utilize its advanced pattern recognition and prediction capabilities to identify critical trends and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, ChatGPT can be used to analyze stock charts and specify movements in stock prices, such as a long-term upward or downward trend, support and resistance levels, or key chart patterns like double tops and bottoms. By analyzing these patterns, ChatGPT helps traders construct more informed decisions about when to buy and sell. 2. Sentiment analysis. It is another powerful tool in any trader's arsenal. It involves analyzing market sentiment to pinpoint marks in trader sentiment towards a particular asset or market. By understanding market sentiment, traders can gain valuable insights into how other traders and investors feel about a specific investment or market and use this information to make more informed trading decisions. You can train ChatGPT to analyze vast amounts of data from different references to determine patterns and trends in market sentiment. By analyzing this data, ChatGPT allows traders to pinpoint critical trends and patterns in market sentiment that could impact their trades. For example, if ChatGPT identifies a surge in positive sentiment toward a particular asset, traders may be more inclined to buy that asset. 3. News analysis. With so much news and information available, filtering out the noise and focusing on what's important can be challenging.
This project from the OpenAI Research Lab can write essays and carry on convincing written conversation. So does ChatGPT represent a breakthrough that will spawn new businesses, or is it more of a gimmick?
Using ChatGPT for news analysis, traders can quickly and efficiently analyze vast amounts of news data to identify critical trends and developments that could impact their trades. For example, if a company releases an earnings report that beats expectations, ChatGPT can quickly analyze a wide variety to gauge market sentiment toward that company. By studying this sentiment, traders can gain valuable insights into how the market will likely react to the news and use this information to make more informed trading decisions. Tips for getting the most out of ChatGPT. Now that you've seen the potential of ChatGPT, let's talk about some tips and tricks for getting the most out of this powerful tool. Tip number 1. It is essential to provide specific details when formulating your queries. You are more likely to obtain accurate and pertinent information by being precise and detailed in your question. For instance, rather than asking a general question such as, "What are some good stocks to invest in?" it would be better to ask a more specific and targeted question, such as, "What are some promising technology stocks with strong potential for growth that would be suitable for investment?" It will help ensure that the data you receive is relevant and tailored to your needs and interests. Tip number 2. Keeping yourself informed about the most recent developments and happenings is imperative. ChatGPT, equipped with its advanced capabilities and constant analysis of data from diverse sources, can help you stay up to date with the latest news and events that have the potential to influence the market. To ensure that you remain well informed, establish alerts and notifications to keep yourself in the loop. Doing so lets you stay ahead of the curve and create announced conclusions that align with your goals and objectives. Tip number 3. Using the tool, you should share your feedback with ChatGPT. This feedback will assist in evaluating the accuracy and relevance of the data provided by the model. It will aid in refining the predictive models and enabling ChatGPT to give even more precise and tailored recommendations in the future. Therefore, sharing your thoughts and experiences with the tool is advisable to enhance its capabilities and overall performance. Tip number 4. It is essential to remember that ChatGPT is just one of the many trading tools available to traders. While ChatGPT's capabilities are potent, they should not be the sole basis of your trading strategy. It is imperative to incorporate other analytical methods, tools, and resources to create a comprehensive and well-informed approach to trading. A holistic system that integrates multiple sources of information, including ChatGPT, can help traders make better informed judgments and improve their chances of success. Therefore, utilizing ChatGPT with different trading tools and analytical techniques is highly recommended to create a more robust and comprehensive trading plan. Tip number 5. You can manipulate several parameters while interacting with ChatGPT, including but not limited to your risk patience and acquisition plans. Try various combinations of these parameters to determine which combination works most effectively for your needs and preferences. This way, you can explore the options and fine-tune the parameters to optimize your outcomes. So how can you ensure you get the most accurate and relevant data from ChatGPT? Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Use specific keywords and phrases in your queries. Avoid overly broad or vague questions. Double-check your inputs to ensure they're accurate. Stay up to date with the latest news and events that could impact the market.
But writers and illustrators on social media did not.
There are some super valid concerns from these artists.
After all, ChatGPT could wipe out his job too.
Literally my line of work, apps, design work, product design work.
And now he wants someone to solve this problem.
What are mechanisms we can still compensate artists?
That's the lesson to you here.
That's definitely the lesson.
Use ChatGPT in intersection with additional trading tools and your analysis. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's only as effective as you make it. By following these tips and best practices, you can maximize the potential of this cutting-edge technology and develop winning strategies that will help you achieve your investment goals. We've covered a lot of ground in this video about how to use ChatGPT for your trading technique, and I hope you found it informative and engaging. Consider incorporating ChatGPT into your overall trading approach to take your trading to the subsequent level. With its powerful predictive models and 2021 insights, it's a tool that can help you make informed decisions and achieve unprecedented success. By integrating ChatGPT into your trading system, you can gain a competitive edge and elevate your trading game to the next level. This tool offers unparalleled support in making informed and data-driven decisions thanks to its advanced predictive models. Whether you are a seasoned trader or a novice, ChatGPT can help you achieve unprecedented success in the ever-evolving and complex trading world. Its flexible parameters fit your risk forbearance, investment purposes, and overall trading style, delivering customized solutions that meet your needs. With ChatGPT by your side, you can unlock new chances and trading prospects. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback, and I'll continue to provide you with informative and engaging content in the future. Before your departure, please take a moment to peruse the upcoming end screen video for abundant, valuable, and awe-inspiring knowledge. See you there!